Hey guys, it's Mikenstein, and today I have a review of the HP Omen 15. This is one of the best budget gaming laptops you can buy right now for under $1,000. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the good and the bad as well. It's a bunch of other stuff you absolutely need to know before you buy this laptop. So go ahead and smash the like button if you're excited for that. Also, in case you didn't notice, we just passed 3,000 subscribers on this channel, which is amazing. And to think we were just at 1,000 subscribers a few months ago. I know it doesn't sound like much for most people, but I've been stuck at 1,000 subs for like a year now. So yeah, it's a pretty big deal for me. So I figured I'd do a small giveaway. If you guys want to win an HP Omen laptop for yourselves, all you have to do is like this video, leave a comment below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links below, and I'll pick a winner as soon as this video hits 50 likes. That said, let's get right into the video. So this is the HP Omen 15 from 2018, and there's a lot of reasons you should get this now, even a year later. For about $900, you get a beautiful design, amazing performance, and a colorful 15.6-inch 144Hz display, which is great to have because that's now the standard for any gaming laptop out there. For specs, the HP Omen comes with an Intel Core i7 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce 1070 Max-Q GPU, 8GB of VRAM and 16GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD paired with a 2TB hard drive, and a 1080p 144Hz display. Pretty decent specs for a mid-tier gaming laptop. And you even get a 4K option, but it will cost a bit more. The design is one of the best parts of this laptop. The chassis is mostly plastic, which doesn't sound so premium, but it has this brushed aluminum and carbon fiber coating on top, which feels really nice in the hand. The bezels on the screen are really thin around the top and the sides, but as with many other gaming laptops, there's a huge chin at the bottom. It's surprisingly not that heavy, but you're definitely going to notice it's in your bag when you're out and about. If you're curious about the port setup, there's one USB 3.0 port on the side, an SD card slot, and also headphone and microphone inputs. At the back, you get an Ethernet port, one USB 3.0 port with always-on charging, an HDMI 2.0 port, a mini display port, and one Thunderbolt 3 port. On the right side, there's a power jack and one USB 3.0 port. Again, so let's talk about the display. This is one area where HP could definitely have done better with this laptop. It's a decent display, and for most gamers, it's actually going to do for casual gaming with that high refresh rate and all, but the panel just looks a bit dim. It doesn't get very bright, so using this outside is kind of frustrating, but the good news is that it still delivers beautiful colors and buttery smooth animations thanks to that 144Hz refresh rate. The panel also achieves a solid 111% of the sRGB color gamut, which means you can definitely do a lot more than just gaming here. If you want to do some video or photo editing, this laptop is perfect for that. The keyboard is also great to use, they're comfortable and very responsive. The keys were a little bit mushy and the key travel kind of left me wanting some more. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not the best I've seen. The inclusion of a 4-zone RGB backlighting is a nice touch, so there's special LEDs that light up the WASD keys. That's really cool, and I think every newbie gamer would appreciate that because it helps indicate the hotkeys during gameplay. The touchpad here is smooth to the touch, it's snappy and very responsive. There's two physical buttons below the touch area, which is kind of outdated, but they work just fine, so no complaints. Performance here is great. The Omen 15 is armed with an Intel Core i7 processor with 16GB of RAM, so even with 40 Google Chrome tabs open and Fortnite running in the background, this laptop stays snappy and I didn't notice any lag at all. It's a really fast computer, and I think you're going to enjoy the performance coming out of this. On the Geekbench overall performance test, the Omen 15 scored 21,870, which is way above the average for a regular mainstream gaming laptop. So I guess that explains the crazy performance. Now, gaming laptops usually have pretty bad battery life because of all the many features installed like RGB lighting and high refresh displays and 4K screens and all that, and this can take a huge toll on battery life. The Omen 15 has a decent battery life though, but it's not as good as what you would get on, say, an Ultrabook. I'm getting about 4 hours of screen on time, which isn't so bad, and I usually have it plugged in so I can get even longer battery life. It's decent, it's not really going to get you through the whole day, so be sure to take a charger if you're going to take this out. So at the end of the day, the HP Omen 15 packs a punch in terms of design and performance. You get a beautiful display, decent speakers, and a comfortable keyboard. The user experience is one of the best I've seen on the gaming laptop. There's no crazy over-the-top features I don't need. It just has all the best features to deliver the best possible performance, and for under $1,000. I have a link below in the description below so you can pick it up on Amazon right now. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Cheers to 3,000 subscribers and here's to 4,000. Hoping y'all stick around and stay cool. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.